Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today, you remember I did a video on how I freeze my bananas, my green bananas? Well, today I want to cook those green bananas, not those exact ones, but cook the frozen green bananas to let you see how I do it and how you can do it too. So, remember, bananas are good for fiber, they're good for digestion, they're good for heart health, they're good for iron, they're good for if you have high blood pressure, because it's loaded with magnesium and loaded with potassium, and if you have those two nutrients, then your blood pressure will be normal. And helps you to lose weight too, because it's good for the digestion, and with the fiber, so it allows you to go to the washroom easily and to just, flush out the tummy. So first here, let's show you. In this pot here, I have some banana skin, I have some bay leaf and thyme and garlic and onion. So, and here now is the frozen bananas. So I'm just gonna put them right up there in the pot. So these are the frozen bananas, and it's going right. Okay, so now I just want it to catch to boil fast. hopefully it can cook before this video is finished, which the fire is not that high, so I can taste it and show you the texture. So what I do, Simple Life, I see these are some local onions, so I just wash them properly. That's why you want to make sure that whatever you're buying, they are organic, or as organic as they can be. You wash them properly. If you're not sure, pray over them, because you want everything that it comes with. So in the pot with the banana, I have the onions and thyme, I have garlic with the skin, and I have some bay leaves. So when it's time for me to drink, I am going to just have a cup. I'm going to drink the broth, because I also put 2 banana skins inside of it, so that the water doesn't get black, the bananas doesn't get black, and also it will add more iron to the pot water, and then I can drink it. So all these things are beneficial, all of these things are healthy, and they are good for you, and all of them lower blood pressure, and they are good for your heart. And so in there, we're not going to throw away anything. We're going to have the bananas, but not today, because I already have supper. But we're going to have the bananas literally, and have everything that is in it. So why waste a good pot water? If I had flour dumpling in that, then I wouldn't drink the water. But now I'm just doing the bananas to show you. I season it so I can get, more of everything. This is some of the frozen bananas that I had cooked, and in here, this is it there. So it's very, very soft, and it did not come out. It did not come out mushy. Too. When I say mushy, like these are really, I hardly come across a banana in Jamaica that is, those big bananas we get in Canada, Sweden. Yes. They're big, and they're bloated. They're bloated, and it takes forever for them to boil. And we come down here, and these are the quality bananas that we get. So I just want to show you that boiling the banana when it's frozen, it does not come out any different from when you cook it fresh from scratch. So if you have too much of bananas in this time of pandemic, we cannot afford to waste anything or throw away anything. I have something even too where if I see my yams gonna go bad, I peel them, push them in the freezer, and so here is the bananas. So I just want to show you that, just in case this is taking too long. But come on in here, sweetie, look. Look here. Because I put the banana skin in this one, it makes it more clearer than this one. You see, this one I didn't put, so the water is more, so the skin allows it to be cleaner, clearer. And it has all the garlic and the onions and all the bay leaves, everything. This is really, really, I'm just going to strain it when I'm finished so I get pure pure tea, pure broth to drink. So yeah, I wanted to show you that one, but this one is ready. So Simple Life, so see, good, real nice banana. And also, one thing I have to tell you, yes, you notice I took it straight from the freezer, frozen, straight into the hot boiling water. That is the way I believe if you do it, it will stay as if you have just peeled it. If you were making, say, banana porridge that I made in a previous video, then you could use defrost bananas because you were just going to blend it. But because you want this to stay firm and fresh, you put it straight from frozen, straight into the boiling water. You understand? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. So Simple Life, even if that one is not finished cooked, this is the same. So I just wanted to show you. And see, you saw me here. It's not even. See how it comes. See the difference? Just because I put the banana skins inside there. But see, it's very
soft.
It's and you see it's firm. It's not mushy because it was frozen. That's the point I just want to come on and to show, show the difference in it. And it's boiling all nice and seasoned up. And this is like a very healthy tea that I'm going to drink when I am ready to close off before the evening come. So this is it for now. Simple Life. I'm not gonna have any of this because it's past my eating time. But I just wanted to come and just to show you these bananas are so easy to cook, so nice. And when you look at it and you see the onions and all of that, you know that you're not gonna boil it and throw away all the healthy goodness. So okay, make sure you're using good water. If you know whether you're gonna drink your food after your pot water or not, make sure when you're cooking your food, when you're making your drinks, use good water to make it, because it's the same thing that is gonna go into your body. Or use the rainwater like I do. So I just wanted to leave that. So I'm going to have some of the pot water after, and then I'm going to reheat the rest tomorrow and drink it, so I get all the benefits. So Simple Life, that is it for now. I'm sure it must have boiled a bit. I wanted to go from so long, but I just keep on wanting to show you. 2 minutes, see that? See how it's cooked? So, and it looks like I just peeled it, doesn't it, sweetie? Mm-hmm, like I just peeled it. Mm-hmm. So, yes. White and nice. Yes. And so I show you the one before without the banana skin. This is the one, and this is the one that's cooked with the banana skin. The banana skin let it look nice and pretty there. So that is it for now. I pray that you will enjoy this video. This video is a long time coming just to show you the result of the frozen banana. So bye for now. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, and liking the video and commenting. What is your thought? What questions do you have? Let me know. Bye for now. Blessings.